AI tyranny. Humanity, not algorithms. We demand free will.
Humanity has always believed that intelligence was its greatest weapon, the one advantage that placed us above every other species on this planet. But today, for the first time in history, that belief is being challenged by something we created ourselves: artificial intelligence, a system that does not breathe, does not sleep, does not feel fear, and never stops learning. And this is not a distant future or a sci-fi fantasy. This is happening right now. Inside offices, factories, hospitals, courtrooms, classrooms, and even inside our homes, where AI is already making decisions that once belonged only to humans. It writes, it designs, it predicts, it diagnoses, it trades, it hires, and it fires. And with every passing second, it becomes smarter, faster, and more independent, while humans remain limited by time, emotion, and biology. And this is where the real battle begins, not with explosions or robots marching through the streets, but with silent replacement, invisible dominance, and a slow shift of power that most people don't even notice, because millions of jobs are already disappearing. Not because people are lazy or unskilled, but because AI can do the same work without rest, without salary, and without mistakes. And as companies choose efficiency over empathy, humans are forced to compete with machines that were never meant to be competitors. And yet this battle goes deeper than jobs and deeper than money, because it strikes at the core of what it means to be human: creativity, judgment, morality, and purpose, qualities we believed were uniquely ours for centuries. But now AI composes music that moves millions, writes stories that feel real, creates art that sells for fortunes, and makes decisions based on data no human mind could ever process. And as AI begins to outperform humans in medicine, law, engineering, and even warfare, a terrifying question emerges. What happens when we are no longer the smartest beings on Earth? What happens when control slowly shifts from human hands to machine logic? Some believe AI will save humanity by curing diseases, ending poverty, solving climate change, and unlocking a new golden age, while others warn that unchecked artificial intelligence could erase privacy, destroy freedom, and reduce humans to spectators in a world they no longer control. Because intelligence without emotion does not understand compassion. Intelligence without morality does not understand consequences. And intelligence without humanity does not understand life itself. And the real danger is not that AI becomes evil, but that it becomes perfectly efficient, optimizing goals without understanding the human cost behind them. And once superintelligence emerges, an AI smarter than all humans combined, there may be no undo button, no second chance, and no way to regain control. Because the moment AI learns to improve itself faster than humans can understand it, the balance of power will be gone forever.